For the last 15 years.
Oh, 15 years. That's amazing. Look at this. 15 years experience at Chapli kebab. Wow. Look at this kebab. Amazing. Here we are in Crossbank Way in Oldham. This restaurant, they are well known for Pakistani food. It's been recommended with one of my friends, and he told me this restaurant is amazing. It's a Peshawari style food. They have a authentic Pakistani food. We have a lot of nice and delicious Pakistani food. Let's go in and try some amazing food. One thing, so I really love it, and I haven't tested. They call Chapli kebab, and you can see over here is a picture outside. They have a fresh Chapli kebab, and I'm so excited to go in and try some nice food. What's your name? Hisham. Okay, tell us about your restaurant.
Yes, so we've been here for the last 15 years. We specialize in Chapli Kebabs and our fries. We only have a set few things on our menu, and everything's made fresh here. So it takes us half an hour for us to make our curries. So our fries are made fresh. So if you're gonna come down, give us a call, and we can get them ready for you, and we sell by the kilo.
I can see the whole menu over here is amazing. All the foods are authentic Pakistani style food. And then another thing is here is halal food. That's amazing. One good thing, and they are allowing us to go inside the kitchen, and while they're preparing food, we can record the video. I'm so excited. From here is a smell of the kebab, absolutely top level. Start, you can see, is a tandoor over here, chef.
Tandoori chef.
How's things? Wow, that's amazing. Fresh naan bread, and one thing I love it. Wow, Chapli kebab. Wow. How are you, my friend?
I'm fine.
That's good.
This is our start. He's been with us for the last 15 years.
Oh, 15 years. That's amazing. Look at this. 15 years experience at Chapli kebab. Wow. Look at this kebab. Amazing. Wow, my friend. That's amazing. Fresh naan bread. Wow.
This one naan bread.
This is the ready one, yeah? It's cooked.
That's ready now, yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Ready for the
It's nice color and nice texture. I like it. How long take it to cook?
just 5-6 minutes.
Oh, 5-6 minutes. It's take 5 or 6 minutes
5-6 minutes
to
to
cook this nice kebab. Look at this one. I can show you guys. This too is cooked. It's a Chapli kebab. Seriously, too heavy.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah.
And when I took our to this, this is only one portion for 10 for one naan, but
Wow.
3 kebabs.
Oh.
This is for 3 for 10 for.
Seriously.
3 kebabs and 1 naan each, one portion.
Seriously, this portion is so amazing. 3 kebab and naan bread,
Yeah,
and
with
then salad.
And salad.
Everything is just a 10 pound. And in this section we have a curry section, because there is a 4 or 5 chef works in here. We have a chef who's just making naan bread, and he's making chicken Karahi.
Karahi, yeah.
And we have a lamb one, and then we have a Peshawari style.
Just only tomato.
That's amazing. Looks so nice. The smell is amazing. It's a beef mince, and the mixture of the, I can see tomato, and there is a lot of spice, there is a lot of herbs, Absolutely
ready
so
for the
fresh.
push.
It's just ready and just need a order and then just go inside this hot oil. Wow. And fresh oil. Yogurt, and they're going to make a yogurt sauce.
Yeah, we now put in the green cardamom, like, the garden mint, everything, I put in the nice one.
That's amazing. And 15 years experience, chef. And this is the sauce, yogurt sauce they use it.
Ready that stuff.
Everything fresh, everything amazing. Well, we got our food. I am so excited. Absolutely, these foods are amazing. It's top level. And I'm in here with two of the good friend, Liam Marley. He has a YouTube channel. I leave the link over there and you can subscribe and watch. He has an amazing video. And then and again, you have a YouTube and Instagram. I will leave the link. You can go and subscribe. And this guy have been tested this food, and they are telling me absolutely this top level. But what I can say from here, these food are amazing. And it's from which part of the Pakistan?
It's Peshawar.
Oh, Peshawar.
The northern
Oh,
Pakistan.
Peshawar is a northern Pakistan, and it's authentic. It's halal food. Look at this. We have it here. What we have here, Liam?
This is the chicken karahi,
Chicken karahi, and then we have a
lamb karahi.
lamb karahi. This food I was waiting for over 1 or 2 years to test it, and today we are so lucky because we got a best one. Seriously, because we have a two type of them. We have a normal, and then we have a with the egg, a special one. And here you can see, guys, it's so texture. It's very nice, it's spongy, so soft. And you can see this one they call a special. You can see inside eggs and so nice texture. Okay, now we are going to open up this first special one. Wow, nice texture. And there is a lot of herbs, and there is a tomato, a lot of spice, and you can see outside it's eggs, and outside is crunchy, inside so juicy. Look at this one. Wow. And then this one as well, we open this one as well. This is the normal one. Again is nice, steamy. Look at this one. There is a onion, there is a I think it's tomato. Oh, it's very hot.
It'd be hard, isn't it? Straight from the oil.
That's true. It's so fresh. And outside again, crunchy and pillowy. And our teas here.
Even
again,
the tea's made fresh.
Khyber chai.
that's chai. Thank you. Look at this one. Wow, everything is so hot. And this is our Chapli kebab, and the way we can eat, what is my friend, he told me, we have to take a piece of this again fresh naan bread. Look at this fresh bread. It's just made 20 minutes ago, and it's again so nice bread, so fluffy. Take a nice piece of the bread. We go first with this special one. I love it. Take a piece of this special one, and then we have to add the sauce. And again, this sauce, he has a fresh yogurt, and again there is a lot of nice and fresh herbs, and add some of this top of this. Spicy, so soft and crunchy. Wow, amazing. I love the texture. A little bit crunchy, and then when it's come inside the meat is so soft, and there is a herbs, there is a spice, there is a fresh vegetable as well. Absolutely amazing. Look at this one, and we have eggs, so soft. So good. We added some lemon. I'm so happy to be in here and test this Chapli kebab. Top level, one of the best in Oldham. And now we are going to test them. This is the without the egg. Look at this texture, amazing. Inside cooked perfect. Do you know what? Because 15 years experienced chef cooking this, they know how to cook it. Outside crunchy, inside soft, and there is a beautiful combination. Peshawari Chapli kebab, lime. It's a little bit spicy, but I love spicy food. Our first dish was amazing, top level. Everything is perfect. It's soft, it's crunchy, and the texture is amazing again. This one with the egg, unbelievable, tasty, spicy, crunchy. And our second dish is a chicken karahi. We have a top is a fresh ginger, yeah, fresh ginger and the parsley and the nice thick sauce. Look at this, and chicken or with bone. Look at this. I love it because I said it's a parsley and Liam said it's a coriander. Sorry for that, but this fresh ginger is amazing. And I want to just check chicken. You can see chicken with bone, and I want to see freshness. Wow, look at this chicken, so soft, and outside there is a lot of spice. I'll just try the chicken. Chicken is so soft and full of flavor. We are going with the roti because we have a two type of the bread. We go with the roti. Roti is good for the curry. And we use some this sauce. Look at this sauce with a little bit oily. And then we use a piece of the nice chicken. Look at this. There is a lot of spice. Texture and flavor is top level again because everything is fresh, and texture of the chicken so soft. It's a little bit spicy and there is a little bit sour, and I love it. And I can show you how many spice is top of this chicken. There is a lot of spice. There is a lot of fresh and dried herbs and vegetable. And this is the chicken, wow, with bone. I think this is baby chicken because it's so small. Yeah, I'm sure it's a baby chicken. Soft, spicy, full of flavor. Our last dish from Khyber Kebab, and you can see it's a ginger and coriander, and there is a lot of spice, there is a lot of herbs, dried herbs and fresh herbs. Look at this one. There's everything in it and everything cooked perfect. Look at this lamb. Wow. With the bone and without the bone, beautiful combination. One without the bone, and this is the with bone. I just go with this. Lamb is just melted in my mouth, and again there is a lot of spice and cooked perfect. Little bit spicy, and I love the herbiness. There is a lot of fresh herbs, you can see. There is a lot of fresh herbs and dried herbs. Wow, look at this. When you have an experienced chef, and then you can have this amazing dish. And now we are going to test with this amazing and soft bread. Just to try the without bone. Look at this. It's so good. It's full of flavor. You can see here, it's just melted in my mouth and it's cooked perfect. Full of flavor, little bit of spicy. I want to just test this lamb with bone. Look at this texture. It's cooked very good, so nice. And there is some fat, but this fat gave a nice flavor and a nice texture. I like the gingerness, and there is some garlic as well, little bit garlicky. You know, we had a 3 dish, 3 top level, and I want to say thank you Khyber Kebab to give us or prepared this amazing food for us. I want to show you what type of the lamb they use. They use a baby lamb. Almost finished from Khyber Kebab, and he gave us nice and fresh chai, and its mixture is I think there is milk and water and then chai. Just we have to remove this one. And now Khyber tea or chai. Sweet and a little bit creamy. Wow. Amazing. I love the sweetness. I can tell you guys, I really enjoyed food in this beautiful restaurant. All 3 dish was amazing. All 3 dish was top level. Everything is fresh. You know, when you're coming in a restaurant, you want to eat a fresh food. If you want to eat a fresh Peshawari food, just come here, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will love it. I really love it, and I really enjoy it, and 100% I will be back again to try food